Hey, babe. My flowers. You got me my shoes and my orchids, like always. Good morning. Cristo made tofu scramble over hash browns. So yummy. How's your day going?
It's going good. Just relaxing. By myself.
We have nachos, lingua, queso, some tofu tacos, and then some mushroom tacos. Hey my loves, we're back from the beach. We didn't stay too long because there was just so many people and it was so chaotic. There wasn't like really space to lay out and like have your own room and not have somebody else on top of you. There was just so many like kids there. Not that I have a problem with kids, but just screaming, yelling, running around everywhere. So we just went and ate some tacos. We went in the water for a little and then we ate tacos on our towel because there was not enough space to sit at the restaurant. So we ate tacos and then when we were done eating we ended up leaving, which is fine. It was so great. We went in the water was beautiful, it was clear, it was cold, but it was so refreshing. So I just was in the shower. I showered, I washed my hair, I'm starting my makeup, so I just wanted to come before I start. I have my eyebrows done, my hair is wet. I wanted to do something different with my hair, but I don't have much time. The beach, the way to the beach and then the ride home from the beach was longer than usual because there was so much traffic today. So I'm running short on time, and then also I may have booked our reservations for tonight at the wrong restaurant in Miami. Christopher has a favorite restaurant and it's a vegan restaurant. I didn't know there was one in South Beach with the same name and it had like a different ending. So I thought they were the same thing, so I booked it there, and then I realized right a couple minutes ago they sent me a confirmation. I was like, this is not the name of the place. So I called, luckily, the place that he does like to eat at, and they said it's fine, we can still come in. Of course, we're not gonna get a table right away, maybe. Hopefully we are, so we get into existence, but if not, that's fine. We can take pictures. Again, it's Miami, so you can always walk around. It's gorgeous there. And yeah, we're just gonna go eat some good vegan food, hang out, and then when we get back home, I'm assuming we'll watch a movie. Kriya asked me if I wanted to go to the gym. He got me new gym shoes, and I was like, I don't know, maybe I'll go to the gym. Any of you that eat vegan food, you know, like after you eat, you don't feel like bloated or like, oh my gosh, I can't do nothing, like you ate too much. That doesn't really happen, but just more of so like the vibe, going out looking cute, my makeup's done. I don't really want to go to the gym and work out and then sweat, so I don't know, we'll see. Excuse my towel closet that I have open there, but yeah guys, so I will see you in a bit. Hopefully I'm ready, dressed, and we're leaving and on our way. Bye guys. Hey guys, I don't know, this lighting is like terrible and you can't see me, but there we go. Christopher just went inside because I forgot my inhaler for my asthma, but I am finally ready. We're supposed to be in Miami by 7. It's now 7:15 and Miami is like 30 to 40 minutes, 30 to 40 minutes away, so I didn't show what I was wearing, but I'll show it real quick, and then Christopher can always take a cute little video. But I just have on this little dress from Pretty Little Thing, and then this little clutch. Thanks, Jenna, love you, girl. But anyways, yeah guys, I'm ready to go. Christopher cannot find my inhaler anywhere because he is taking so long, and he didn't call me. Oh my gosh, he did call me. Oh no, he didn't call me yet. But yeah, I will see you guys at dinner. Bye guys. We have arrived in Miami.
Right over the building.
Hey guys, so we are finally almost where we're supposed to be. We are 11 minutes away, but driving in Miami is just crazy. This is the traffic right now. The camera's not focusing, but it was so crazy. There we go. So the traffic is just crazy. This is the water. But we're following the GPS, of course, and it didn't tell us that it closed on like one of the exits, I guess. And they brought down the bridges. It wasn't the express lane, but it was kind of similar to that. And we're going like 85, of course, because we're on the highway. And almost just, not only us, but a bunch of people almost crashed through the, what are those called? Those like gate things that come down. It was super bad. But yeah, there's an accident ahead, and you know, we're just here. We're just waiting. We're just driving. Do you have anything to say, babe?
Stay safe. Try and do things at home. You know?
No, like say something about Valentine's Day. Are you excited? It's Valentine's?
Yeah. Okay. Not with this traffic and what just happened. My shoe open.
Hey my loves, we're here in Miami. We're just waiting for our reservation, so we're just gonna walk around right now. Yeah, that's it. And Chris tying his shoe.
You in one?
This is just the first part of it, yeah.
You think so?
Yes, babe.
Excited. Cheers.
Perfect. You can take it, my love. That's, what is that? Broccolini, eggplant parm, y pasta con basil and parmigiano. Cree got a mushroom something pizza. Do you know what this is called?
What?
Moshami. At the gate?
At Club Sweat.
Yeah.
I've heard this. We got done eating. The food was good. Babe, what do you think? Do you like the food? I liked it. 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
Thank you so much.
It was great. It was a great Valentine's Day. We are now on our way home. It's 11:46 and we have to open the office tomorrow at 9 a.m. I'm tired. But oh my gosh, they give red light tickets, Christopher. We're in Miami.
Shit, I hope. I didn't see no flash.
Well, we are going home, going to sleep.
And hopefully not getting a ticket for running a red light. Sure.
I went through it when I was yellow.
Do you see that Rolls? Guys, there's a Rolls Royce with the Gucci sign. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. I've never seen this before. Holy shit, that's a Rolls Royce, guys. You should see the front. That is money. Babe, stop, you're embarrassing me. He can see us. Holy shit. Wow. That is so nice. Look at the front. Woo! We're leaving. But that was Valentine's Day 2021. It was great and amazing. Why am I upside down? Like I was saying, that was Valentine's Day. And yeah, guys, we will see you in the next video. I know I'm so zoomed in on my face, but I don't feel like turning the camera around and fixing it. Bye guys, good night. Say bye, Kri.
Bye.
Bye.